hard work on making cards for the veterans so we could deliver them to the Veterans Hospital to show them our love, our compassion, to show them our respect. So after we were done making the cards, we already decided to go deliver them to the Veterans Hospital. And when we got there, we were all pumped and excited, saying, we got this, we could do this, we're going to show them our love. But when we actually started giving out the cards, we saw people who were in their wheelchairs. We saw people who couldn't even talk. And we saw people who were really, really, really old. And just because of that, the children got really scared because they weren't exposed to that kind of setting before in their life. And instead of handing out the cards with love and compassion and respect, instead we handed them out just like this. This is where my unique thought comes into play. Likewise, we spent 2 whole weeks making the cards. We could also spend 2 weeks getting ready to go there with the help of some kind of simulation virtually so you could see the setting before you go there. And when we go there, we won't be as scared as we were, and we can hand out the cards with love and compassion and respect. And if you haven't guessed, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I can get my unique thought just by going to a veterans hospital, I'm sure you can too. Bye, and thank you for